Hey everyone, welcome back to Confident Finance. Can you believe the end of the year is almost here? That means it's time to start thinking about taxes. Yes, I know I can hear the groans already, but if you're self-employed or you're running a small business, preparing ahead of time, it can save you a lot of headaches and it makes tax season so much smoother. Quick note before we start, I am not a tax professional. This video is purely for educational purposes. I'm just showing you how to export and organize your Quicken data. This is not tax advice. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to export your business data from Quicken, clean it up in Excel, and get it ready for entering into TaxAct. Now, even though Quicken is partnered with TurboTax, I personally use TaxAct because I've been using it for years and it works perfectly for my taxes. For this video, I'm using last year's report from 2024 because TaxAct 2025 isn't out yet. Don't worry, the process of entering your data doesn't change much from year to year, so this video will still be useful no matter what tax year you're preparing. Also, I'm going to include links in the description for both Quicken and TaxAct, so you can use my affiliate links for discounts if you're getting started with either tool. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export your Schedule C data from Quicken, organize it neatly in Excel, and highlight all the key categories so it's ready for easy entry into TaxAct. Okay, step 1, open Quicken and go to the Business tab. From there, you want to click Reports, scroll down to Schedule C, Profit and Loss for Business. For the date range, select yearly and then 2024 or whatever year you want to export. Okay, step 2, check and correct transactions in Quicken. Scroll through all your categories to make sure everything looks correct. At the top, you might see an unspecified business expense. For example, the category could be supplies and mower fuel, but it might not have a tag to associate it with your business. Double-click on the transaction to open it in your register. Here, you can see the missing tag. So just type it in and hit enter. Now go back to the Schedule C report where it's minimized at the bottom of the screen and notice that this unspecified expense is now corrected. Continue scrolling through the report. You'll see your business income, car and truck expenses, interest, office expenses, and supplies, and any other expenses that are associated with your business. At the bottom, there may be more unspecified business expenses. These might have the correct tag, but be missing the correct category. Double-click each one and type in the proper category. For example, supplies or mower fuel. And since I see them both right here, I'm going to correct them now. Now return to the Schedule C report, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see that these transactions have now been properly categorized. Now your Quicken report is ready to export. Okay, step 3, export the Quicken report. Click the button at the top right that says Export Report Data to Different Formats, then Export to Excel Workbook. Navigate to the folder where you store your tax data. We like to keep a folder under My Finances on my SSD. For now, I'm using a temporary folder. Hey guys, before we continue, here's a quick tip. This SSD has made organizing and backing up my files incredibly fast. Check out my full description below, and if you'd like to go grab one, check out the description. Now back to the video. Then name the file something you'll remember. I'm naming it Schedule C Data, and then click Save. If you open this file directly, you'll see all the data, but it's not very neat or easy to read. Close this because I'm going to show you a much better way. We're going to import it into new Excel Workbook. Okay, we're on to step 4, import Quicken data into Excel. Go ahead and navigate to the folder where you stored your tax data, then right-click, New Excel Worksheet. We're going to name it Schedule C and open it. Alright, so from here, go to the Data tab, New Query, from File, from Excel Workbook, and select the file Schedule C Data that you just exported from Quicken. Alright, step 5, we're going to highlight and sort key categories. So once you select the file, the Navigator window pops up. Click on the report and then the load button at the bottom. So now Excel creates a neat, readable table. It's much easier to work with than the raw export. Alright, so highlight each category that you'll need for TaxAct entry. Business income, car and truck expenses, interest expense, office expenses, supplies, and any other expenses that are associated with your business. Highlight these cells yellow, then go to the amount column, click the down arrow, and select Sort by Color, Yellow. This brings all your key categories to the top for easy copy-paste into TaxAct. Remember, depending on your business type, you may have additional categories, so review your data carefully. Hey, that's it! Your Quicken data is now clean, organized, and ready to be copied and pasted into TaxAct. In a follow-up video, I'll show exactly how to paste this data into TaxAct so your Schedule C is completed quickly and accurately. Don't forget, the description has my affiliate links for both Quicken and TaxAct if you want to get started or grab a discount. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next part of this tax prep series.